to you all, and welcome to the STEM Digital School for Social Sciences, Grade 4. I hope you're in the right class. I'm your social science presenter, Boitumelo Mukwena. This is me. I hope you guys are well and you are warm because it's very cold out there. So before we start with our lesson, guys, please remember that if you have any questions concerning the topic, don't hesitate to raise your hand. I'll unmute you, or you can write on the group chat. I can see you're already talking there. So let's get to the business of the day. So our topic for today will be about symbols and keys. Who wants to tell me what are symbols and keys? Or when we say symbols and keys, what are we talking about? Zoe, we have Zoe.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, thanks. And how are you, ma'am?
I'm great.
A symbol is a sign. It's a sign, and keys are something that helps you when you're looking at something like a map.
Yes, when you're looking at something like a map, that's correct. Thank you, Zoe. Thanks for trying. Clap hands for yourself. Tyron.
A symbol shows you a picture or a drawing, and keys they tell you what the symbol or drawing means.
Yes, that's correct. Thank you, my boy. Who else wanna try? Okay, we only had 2 volunteers. Thank you guys for volunteering. Let's move. Let's do a recap from yesterday's lesson. Wait a moment, my computer is loading. Yesterday, we learned about map skills. We learned about what is a map and the map skills, on how they show us the world from above and how they help us to find where a place is. We also learned that they are different. Wait a moment. We also learned that they are different between a side view and a plan view in a map. So we did that yesterday. I think it moved quickly. Okay. Be patient with me, guys. Something's not right here. So guys, who wants to tell me the difference between a side view and a plan view? I want to see if you still remember the things we did yesterday. Friendly. Friendly. Zoe.
As a side view is when you look at something from the side, and a plan view is when you look at something from the top.
That's correct. Thank you, Miguel. Friendly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you were saying something?
Oh no, because you were calling me and I was just busy there.
Oh, I saw your hand that was raised, so it's okay. So today our topic will focus on the symbols and keys. Look at the table. The first column shows symbols. Here is the first column. Let me put this so that I can show you the pointer. The first column shows symbols. Are you with me? The first column shows symbols that we come across in our daily lives. I believe if you can go to town, you are going to see these kind of symbols. Even at our schools, they are there. So I want you guys to fill in the correct meaning of these symbols, okay? So you raise your hand and you tell me the symbol number 1. We have Zoe on the line.
Symbol number 1 is no smoking.
No smoking. Thank you very much. That's correct. Who wants to try symbol number 2? Friendly. Friendly. Okay, Tyron. Yes. What's symbol number 2?
Symbol number 2.
Yes.
A boy and a girl.
Yes. What's that symbol?
Man and woman.
It means a man and a woman. Where do you usually see this kind of a sign?
They're in the bathrooms.
In the bathrooms. That's correct. Thank you, my boy.
The bathrooms.
Yes, we see it in the bathroom. It's a sign for toilets. Symbol number 3. What does symbol number 3 means? We have Tyron.
Number 3 means there's danger and electricity.
Correct, my boy. Thank you. It means danger. Okay. Number 4. We have Michaela.
Ma'am, it's the hospital.
It is the hospital. Thank you, Magia. Number 5. Number 5, Sandy.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you? I'm good.
The fifth symbol is people with the wheelchair.
People with the wheelchair. Thank you very much, Michael. Thank you so much. Number 5 means wheelchair. Yebo. Thank you so much. Let's move to the next slide. By the end of this lesson today, wait a moment. It is loading. Please be patient with me. By the end of this lesson today, you should know what we mean by the term symbols. You should also know what we mean by the term key. You should also know the importance of using keys and symbols in a map. You should also know how we identify symbols and keys in a map. Moving forward, symbols and keys. We use plan views. You can see now. Okay. We use plan views to help us draw maps. Maps are plan view of the land. Maps show the land from above. We have spoken about this yesterday. So we use little drawings, letters, line, and words on maps to help us read the map. So symbol and keys help us to read the maps, okay? We explain the meaning of map symbol in a box next to the map. So when we explain the map symbols, we explain them in a box, in a little box near the maps at the bottom. Most of the time it is in the bottom of the map. So here, let's identify a symbol letter in a map, okay? Can you all please lower your hands because they are up so that I can see who wants to answer. Identifying symbols in a map. What are symbols? Symbols, it's a picture or letter that we use in the place of an object. So as you can see on this side, on this picture, we have object, this side. On your left-hand side, we have object. This red thing is an object. It symbolizes the road. This black and white thing that I'm pointing, it's a railway. It symbolizes a railway. So the letters that we use in a place of an object can be K, as you can see the K that I'm pointing, symbolize a church. The B that I'm pointing symbolize a building. The PO, it will symbolize a post office. So these objects that are this side, we will see them on the map. Do you understand what I'm saying? As I was saying, I was telling you the example that the P stand for post office, and then the H stand for hospital, and then as for P, it's for parking. So these are the letters that we sometimes use in a place of an object, okay? Why do we use symbols in a map? Who wants to tell me why do we use symbols in a map? Tabelo. Tabelo. Okay, Jordan. Yes, why do we use symbols on a map?
They're not playing it. I'm not going to be interested.
Okay, it's like we've lost Jordan. Bandile, you want to try? Bandile. Let's go to Zoe.
Hello.
We just need to
Yes,
present
Zoe.
the concept to the culture class, right?
We use symbols on a map so that people can know what is what and where it is.
Yes, that's correct. Thank you, my girl. Okay, the reason why we use symbols on a map, it's because some objects are difficult to draw in a plan view, as we saw yesterday on the difference between a side view and a plan view, that it was difficult to see whether that was a house or a dam. But when it comes to the side view, we were able to see it. So symbols help us to see, to draw objects. Excuse. So objects that are difficult to draw in a map. Okay, so they help us to draw objects that are difficult to draw in a plan view, like houses, like dams. Symbols are small and can show lots of things on a map. As you can see on this picture here, they are very small, they are not that big. So it's easier to see them on the map. Moving forward, let's compare symbols and keys. Please look at this picture. These pictures, they all have keys, as you can see, right? So identifying a key in the map, what is a key? Who wants to tell me what is a key? Orabile.
A key is a key
Okay. Yes.
is a key is somewhere you want to go. Ma?
Okay, let's move. Who wants to try? Zoe? Zoe?
A key is like a small picture to show
Yes.
you what is in the map.
That's correct. Thank you very much. Here it's the small picture, as Zoe was saying. It shows us what is in the map. As you can see, the green box here, it portrays the land of South Africa. And the blue box here portrays the sea, which is here. As you can see, I'm pointing the sea. Let's move forward. Thank you, Zoe. The key, it is a list of symbols with their meaning. As you can see here, here are the symbols and their meaning. And on this picture, here are the symbols and their meaning. Here's the box, symbolizing the things that are in this map. Are we clear? Keys are a list of words explaining what a symbol means. As you can see, these boxes here are symbols, and then they explain what do they mean. Even this side, these are the symbols found on the map, and then they explain that this is the house. Do you see the house? And then this is the path. Do you see the path? I'm pointing it. And then where this is a dam. So we are going to look at the dam on the map. We see this thing, it is the dam, and then the wind pump. We'll come to the map and then we'll easily identify the wind pump. And then the tree, yeah, it is next to the house. And then the cow, as you can see, they are next to the dam. And then we also see the road and the bucky as well. So that's just it. That's just it. A map key is thrown next to the map or plan. So the map key, it is always thrown next to the map or a plan. As you can see, it has been thrown next to the map. Okay, and even this side, it has been thrown next to the map so that you can be able to identify the symbols. A quick recap. I want you guys to tell me what are symbols again. I want a different person now. Michaela. Michaela,
Yes, ma'am.
what are symbols?
The signs.
They are the signs, right? That's correct. Thank you very much.
Amen.
Who else wants to try? Pumzile. Pumzile, your hand is up. You want to try?
Yes, ma'am.
Please.
Symbols are signs that show us what we need to do and what we must not do, which direction we must go and which direction we mustn't go. And it also helps us to be careful about what is going on in the next path.
All right, my girl. Thank you very much for your answer.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna take Kingsley. Kingsley, your hand is up.
Ma'am?
Your hand is up.
Yes, ma'am.
What are symbols?
Symbols are small pictures that show you what, for example, a pool. This picture shows you that it's a pool.
That's correct. Thank you very much, boy. Moving forward. Symbols are a simple picture or letter that has a special meaning on the map. What are keys? I want one person. We are running out of time. What are keys? I want somebody different. We have Bandile.
Keys are things, landmarks that show you where you are.
That's correct. Thank you very much. Well, let's move, guys. We don't have enough time. I was gonna pick somebody. Keys are the list on the map that explain what symbols on the map mean. Are we clear? Where are keys located in the map? You can say on the group chat, where are keys located in the map? Keys are located next to the map. Are we clear? Okay, here's our activity. Let's quickly look at it. This is a map for Orange Town. Okay. You see, we have keys that identified the symbols that are in here in this Orange Town map. Okay, I'm gonna bring up the questions right now so you can answer. I want you to name the road where you will find the post office. The road where you will find the post office. Jordan. Jordan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where is the road where you find the post office? Oh, okay, let's move. We are still looking for it. On the group chat, Michaela is saying that the road where you find the post office, it is the main road. Let's see how she found it. We come here to the keys and then we look at the post office and then we see this symbol and we come to the map and we look for that symbol and then we find it here and the road is here. It is the main road. That's correct, Michaela. And D, you are also correct. Noah, you are also correct. Thank you very much, guys. Answer number 2, question number 2. The road where you find the school. The road where you find the school. We have Zoe on. You raise your hand, Zoe.
You find the school on Nelson Road.
On Nelson Road, that's correct. Thank you very much. On the group chat, Noah says we find it on the Nelson Road. Kara also says that we find it on the Nelson Road, and D also says the same thing. That's correct, guys. Let's move to the next question. Where do we find the police station? The road where we find the police station. The road where we find the police station. We have Bramley.
Ma'am?
Yes, yes. Where do we find the police station?
Police station. On the station road.
Correct. Thank you very much.
Okay.
So we find the police station on the station road. We come to the keys here. We see the sign of the police station. And then we come to the map and then we look at it. We find it's here and then it is on the police station road. Thank you, guys. Moving forward. Are these sentences true or false? The traffic lights are on the corner of the main road and Alu Road. The traffic lights are on the corner of the main road and Alu Road. Is it true or false? Look at the traffic lights. Jordan.
Ma'am, it's true. Yes.
Is it? Listen to the question. The traffic lights are on the corner of the main road and Alu Road.
False.
Hmm?
False.
It is false. Thank you very much. I can see on the group chat, Litlantlo says false. D also says false. Pumzile also says false. iPad also say false. You are all correct, guys. Moving to the question, to the other question. The school is on the same road as the church. The school is on the same road as the church. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Is it true or false? Pumza on the group chat says it is false. Michaela also says it is false. D also says it is false. And then the counselor says true. And then Cindy says false. Okay, guys, let's look for the right answer. We come to the keys as well. We look for the church. We look for the church. Here is the church. And then we also look at the school. Where is the school? The school is S. And then we come to the map. We find S here, and we also find the church here. So the correct answer is the school. It is on the same road as the church, which is Nelson Road. The answer is true. The houses are all in the same area. What's the answer? The houses are all in the same area. Look at the keys before you answer. The houses are all in the same area. Teresh. Teresh?
Hello?
Yes, are the houses all in the same area?
Yes.
The houses are all in the same area. That's correct. Thank you very much, boy. Moving forward. The clinic is next door to the mosque. Let's look at the mosque and the clinic and answer the question. Is it true? The clinic is next to the mosque. We have Bandile on the Bandile.
False.
False. Yes, the answer is correct. It is not next door to the mosque. Okay, moving forward. And the group chat, they're saying false. Pumzile says false. Pamela says false. Toby also says false. That's the correct answer. Please be patient with me. It is loading. Takeaway message. Okay. Symbols and keys helps us to understand a map better. They help us to understand a map better. Somebody raised their hand on the group chat. What's happening? Tarish? Tarish?
Yes?
You wanted to say something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Let's continue. Symbols and keys help us to understand a map better. It is important that we know the difference between symbols and keys in the map. I believe you all know the difference between symbols and keys. If you don't know the difference between symbols and keys, raise up your hand. Say it on the group chat. We will do it again. Okay, nobody home? Let's move. So guys, your homework for tomorrow, it's gonna be draw a map from your place where you live, your place around. It must be a plan view, a view from the top. It must include symbols and keys. I want to be able to identify where you are staying by just looking at the map. Are we clear? And then you send it to my email so that I can post your work, guys. Okay, who has a question? Who has a question about the homework? Nobody, okay. So guys, before, who wants to tell me the things we learned today? You can raise your hand and then you tell me. Raise your hand and you tell us the things we learned today. Bandil. We can't reach Bandile. I don't know why. Kingsley. Sandy.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you learn today?
We learned
Hello.
about symbols and keys with maps.
Yes, that's correct. You want to explain more?
No, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Makia. Please mute yourself. I can't see you. Who else wants to try? Nobuhle Langa. Nobuhle.
We learned about symbols and maps and keys and how maps work.
And how maps work. Thank you very much. Zoe.
We learned about what symbols and keys are. And keys are drawings to help you see what's on the map, and symbols symbols are the pictures.
Symbols are the pictures. That's correct. Thank you, boy. Brimley. Brimley. I'm unable to unmute you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am.
To me.
Mistake. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it was. What did you learn today?
I learned about
Symbols and
keys,
yes.
drawings, and all the nice stuff.
Thank you very much.
I enjoy that.
Okay, Michaela.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you want to talk?
Then we learned about symbols and how to understand maps better.
Did you understand? Do you understand maps now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you going to draw your place?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do that, okay? Okay, who else wants to say what they have learned today? We have Jordan. Jordan?
Ma'am, I didn't raise up my hand.
Okay, which means it's a mistake. I'm sorry.
Okay.
All right, moving on. I think everybody else. So as for tomorrow, we will be learning about grade references. Who wants to tell me what a grade reference is? Do you know grade references? Kingsley raised. Kingsley.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, how are you?
Grid references are like blocks on a map to help you figure out. You can just look in columns and trace to the first block with your fingers to the block that you're looking for.
That is correct. That's what we'll be learning about tomorrow. You should come to class, ne?
Okay.
Thank you. Who wants to try Kingsley? You are still on?
Ma'am,
Yes, your hand is
Ma'am?
up.
ma'am, this is a question.
Okay, ask me.
Ma'am, on Saturdays, do you give us a little work to do?
What?
On Saturdays, do you give us a little work to do?
Yes, I'm gonna give you something to do tomorrow.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
You should do your homework today, ne?
Mama, I did it yesterday.
You
I
didn't
also did-
submit. Why didn't you submit?
How do you submit?
On my email. Let me write it on the group chat, on my email. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm gonna write my email address to you guys. Should copy it. I think you should copy it and then everything will be fine, and submit your work there. Okay. Let's move. So these are the books that I used. If you need them, you should download them on Play Store, Snapify, and then you get them for free. Okay, they are for free. So I'm gonna write my email. It's write it down, guys. It's GEEBOITY at yahoo.com. I have sent it on the group to everyone. Oh, I have sent it to Taryn alone. Let me copy it. Taryn, send it to everyone on the group, so that we can end this class. Okay. Thank you guys for having me today. I had a wonderful time with you. You should enjoy your next class and enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to sanitize, wash your hand. From me and the Digital School, we love you. Bye.